everyone, we're going to find the limit as n approaches infinity for this expression given here. Before we get started, what I want to do is go ahead and get the common denominator for this and rewrite it. So when you do that, we're going to have the limit as n approaches infinity of 1/2 times. Now for this piece here, you get your common denominator, that's going to be n, so the numerator is going to be n+1. Now for our next one, we have n+1, so you have to multiply this by 1, so this is going to give you n+2, times, and I can do another one, we'd have n+2 would be the next one, and on the numerator would have n+3, and then dot, 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 and in the denominator here, this is 2n, so then we'd have 2n plus 1, because you have to multiply that 1 by 2n. So once you have that, it's just all going to the power of n. This can be simplified to the limit as n approaches infinity of 1/2 times the last one. And this is going to be 2n plus 1 divided by n to the power of n. And this is going to equal, and basically we're just taking the last one here and pulling out the 1/2. So that's going to actually just be the limit as n approaches infinity of 2n plus 1 divided by 2n. So it's just this last term, as usual with sequences or series. All right, now we want it to look like it kind of has this form. So let's look and see what we can do to force this to look like that. So we're going to have the limit as n approaches infinity, and I'm just going to divide each piece by 2n. So that's going to give me 1 plus 1 divided by 2n to the power of n. So it kind of looks like this. The problem is these two need to match. So I can make it match by writing this as the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 divided by 2n. And I can write this as to the power of 2n to make these two match, as long as I take this whole thing and power it up to 1/2. So you power it up to 1/2, 2n times 1/2 gives you back to your n here. So now I know that this whole thing, since they match, just equals e. That's the definition of e. So now I can apply the limit, and well, we're doing this one right here. I can apply, because we're going from x is approaching infinity, so this is going to be e to the power of 1/2. Or you can write it as square root of e. And that is your limit. Either one is fine. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.